Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Haekka in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and then it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages, some tips and teammates. From here we have to go into a channel and then tap on Connect Apps. Then the app is going to redirect us to a website where we can browse and find the different kinds of apps. But here at the top at Featured Apps, in the second option, we find Haekka Security Awareness Training. If we tap on this, the app is going to load again, and then we can just, after it has loaded and we waited, we can just tap on Add to Slack. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.